Be the one who changed the bloodline that no one has ever did in your 2 generations before and never will in 2 generations after. Everyone should remember कि यार हमारे 2 जनरेशन पहले एक हमारे पापा या दादा, my father, my grandfather had did a lot of hard work and a lot of grit and determination for his dreams. He didn't let anyone come in between his dreams and achieve what he thought. Be that. Not for the kind of things your upcoming heirs will think about you. You yourself will think about you about when you get old. या ये सोच के कितना सुकून मिलेगा जब आप when you get 65, 70 and imagine that अच्छी जी मैंने लाइफ जो दिमाग में आया, जो सोचा, जितने बार भी गिरा. I have fell many times in my life, many times. I have fallen many times, then I have stood up. I have failed many times, then I have succeeded. That is the only story, because you'll fail multiple times and you'll succeed only 1 or 2 times. 20 या 30 बार गिरोगे और 1 या 2 बार सक्सेस आपको मिलेगी. That will compensate for all your previous losses, all your previous failures. That one success, and that even you'll see that not even a single person in your previous 2 generations and the upcoming 2 generations have achieved the kind of success you have achieved. That will give immense satisfaction that I am the person who changed the bloodline of this generation, of this family, of my ancestors and of my upcoming generations. अपनी आने वाली पीढ़ी और अपनी गुजरी हुई पीढ़ी का भविष्य और इतिहास, the history and the future I have changed by sacrificing all the things. Just my goal and my aim was my life, and it will take time. Nevertheless, it will take time, but it will have an inner satisfaction that no one was coming and backing me. No one was there that you fall, I'll pick you up. I was my biggest supporter. I was my biggest cheerleader. कि भाई गिर, तू कुछ नहीं होता, गिर और फिर उठ और फिर ट्राई कर, फिर से गिर, फिर से उठ, फिर से ट्राई. Because when you fall, you have only one option, that you will stand up and achieve even higher. That fall will make you try twice, work hard twice, and that is of immense satisfaction that nothing else will give in your life, nothing else. So break the bloodline, banish all the previous hiccups in your life and the causes, the पाप और पुण्य का जो भी